This is my favorite camper with a Murphy bed. You're looking at a 2024 Flagstaff E-Pro 19FD. This baby is 20 feet 3 inches and weighs in at only 3,200 pounds dry. Around back, you got your 2-inch receiver hitch, your water hookups. Right here is an outdoor shower. And then here's a ladder up to your fully walkable roof. Great spot to hang out, watch the sunset. You got a 200-watt solar panel, your Coleman Mach AC. You got the super powerful max air ventilation system so your bathroom won't be stinky. Around the side, you see we have this outdoor table here. Right next to it, you can mount your griddle grill combo. It comes with it. It's stored away right in the pass-through here. You got some more storage up front and then another one of those in the back. This honker's got some nitrogen-filled tires with a pressure monitoring system that'll come with it. Let's check out the inside of this little guy. Wow-wee, zow-wee. Start all the way in the very back of this thing. We'll work our way to the front. This is our baño. You see we got a porcelain foot flush down here. Plenty of cupboard space up here. And then we got some more above the toilet. Here's the max air vent I was talking about. And then right here you have your full standing shower with a skylight. Back out toward the front. Nice little Magic Chef fridge with the built-in travel lock. We got a 3-burner gas stove, surprising amount of oven space for such a small camper. Directly behind this is our dining area and our TV. We got a 32-inch smart TV. Up here we have a ton of cupboard space. These are nice and deep. If you're bringing a guest, we got a perfect guest bed right here. Bada boom, now you got a comfy little spot for your guests. Then finally at the very front of the coach, what we've all been waiting for, the Murphy bed. First things first, we're gonna jackknife this thing out. It looks like a bed right now, but we got more work to do. We have 2 latches here, unlock each. Take this handle here in the middle, fold her out, and lower her down. She's nice and light. As you can see, I just did that with one hand. Very comfy bed. It's better than my bed at home, so I think I'm just gonna sleep here for the night. And it's super easy to put back up against the wall. You just gotta do this. And just like that, it's magically turned back into a couch. If you have any questions on this spicy little camper, please give me a call. The phone number is in the bio.